Got my locks on my bed, and the cat's like, yo bitch, get your locks off the bed, this is my bed. Alright, so today got this little gun lock. No one's familiar with how it's used. Cable goes in through the barrel, through where the magazine should go, one way or another, somewhere through it to make it not capable of firing. Tiny ass little keyway. I believe these are just being handed out at a local police station a while ago. Talking in like the 90s probably. It's just a cheap little Chinese one, but it does seem to have a pretty good cable on it. So I'm trying to pick it. I had the key around somewhere, but I'm not entirely sure where I put it after I moved all my stuff. And I got it. Boom. Pretty fairly easy pick, but yep. I mean, obviously, pick attack would not be first choice if you're actually trying to steal a gun and make it work. It would. I don't know, my camera's not focusing for some reason. I got the lens dirty, but I'll probably just cut the friggin' cable with a pair of bolt cutters. But it is fairly easy to pick. But yep, there you go.